Hey hustlers! Welcome back to Money Hustle 360, where we turn your online dreams into reality. Today, we're diving into 10 legit ways to make money online in 2025 without needing to invest a single penny. That's right, no upfront costs, just your time and effort. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side or start a full-time gig, these methods are perfect for you. Let's jump right in. First up, freelancing. This is one of the most flexible ways to make money online. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, web development, or even virtual assistants. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients looking for your skills. The best part, you can set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. Many freelancers earn $50 or more per hour, and with dedication, you can build a steady stream of income. Just create a compelling profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects. Next, let's talk about online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can help students learn and earn money at the same time. Websites like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Chegg Tutors allow you to connect with students from around the world. You can teach anything from math and science to languages and music. Many tutors earn between $15 to $50 per hour, depending on the subject and your experience. Plus, you can set your own schedule, making it a flexible option for anyone. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to make money online. You promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You don't need to invest in inventory or handle customer service, just focus on marketing. You can start by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Create a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account to share your recommendations. With the right strategy, you can earn a significant income without any upfront costs. Print on demand is a creative way to make money online without any investment. You design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and a third-party company prints and ships them for you. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble handle the logistics, so you can focus on creating unique designs. You only pay for the product after you make a sale, meaning no upfront costs. With effective marketing, you can turn your designs into a profitable business. Content creation is booming, and you can jump on the bandwagon without any investment. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you can create engaging content around your passions or interests. Monetization options include ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. While it may take time to build an audience, many creators earn thousands of dollars per month once they establish their channels. Just remember to stay consistent, engage with your audience, and create high-quality content. Online surveys and market research are simple ways to earn extra cash. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research allow you to sign up and start taking surveys for money. While you won't get rich doing this, it's an easy way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Just be sure to choose reputable sites to avoid scams. Have knowledge to share? Selling digital products is a great way to make money online. You can create ebooks, online courses, printables, or even stock photos. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy make it easy to sell your digital creations. The best part? Once you create the product, it can generate passive income for years to come. Focus on a niche you're passionate about, and market your products through social media or email marketing. Remote customer service jobs are in high demand, and many companies hire individuals to assist customers from home. You can work for companies like Amazon, Apple, or various startups. These positions often pay between $15 to $25 per hour, and you typically don't need any prior experience. Just excellent communication skills and a willingness to help customers. Check job boards like Indeed or Glassdoor for remote customer service opportunities. Transcription services are another way to make money online without investment. You listen to audio recordings and type them out. Companies like Rev and TranscribeMe hire transcriptionists, and you can earn $15 to $30 per hour. While some experience can help, many companies offer training. It's a flexible job that you can do from anywhere, making it perfect for those looking to earn extra cash. Finally, virtual event planning is a growing field. With more events moving online, there's a demand for skilled planners to coordinate everything from webinars to virtual conferences. You can offer your services on platforms like Eventbrite or even through social media. Many virtual event planners charge $50 plus per hour, and you can work from anywhere. Just be organized and detail-oriented, and you'll be on your way to success. And there you have it. 10 legit ways to make money online in 2025 with no investment needed. Which method are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, hustle smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.